What's the meaning of battledress? Battledress. Battledress.
Battledress. Battledress. Battledress refers to the attire worn by military personnel during combat or other military activities. It is designed to provide protection and functionality in a range of environments, while also being comfortable enough to wear for extended periods of time. The specific design of battledress can vary depending on the country, time period, and branch of service. In general, it includes a combination of different pieces such as helmets, boots, pants, jackets, body armor, and gloves. Battledress has evolved over time to incorporate new technologies and materials, resulting in improved durability, mobility, and protection for those who wear it.